Now let's see how to check whether we can use the ADS, that is Adobe LiveCycle services, on our server or not. To check that, after logging to our system, here you can see my client is 100 and go to SE38, enter this program fp underscore pdf underscore test underscore 00, execute. In the RFC destination, in the connection, select ADS, search in the list box, select ADS and F8, execute. So here we can see the ADS version information. So if you are able to see this pop-up, this means that the ADS is installed and ADS is connected with our system. Okay, this means that the ADS is connected with our system. Now let me show you same in the other system where there is no ADS. Now I will go to other system. You can see client is 800. Here also I am entering the same program, and now if I press F8, here also I am selecting same ADS, and if I execute, see the error message, uses error. Okay, so ADS is not connected to the system. So like this way, before using the Adobe form, first check with this small step whether ADS is connected to this server or not. After that, the second important part is we need to install the Adobe LiveCycle Designer on our local laptop. So to confirm that, go to Add or Remove Program, and here in this list just type Adobe. So here we can see on my laptop the Adobe LiveCycle Designer 10.4 is installed. Always go for the latest one. Okay, so if the first test, that is ADS on the server, and second in our local machine, if we have the Adobe LiveCycle Designer, then we can do the ADS Adobe form designing on our machine. Fine. So these small steps we have to cross check in our server and the local machine before starting off Adobe form designing. Thank you.